Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for the Google Gemini app. Once you find it, tap to install. After installation, launch the app and sign in using your existing Google account. This step is crucial for personalizing your Gemini experience and accessing all its features. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection for a smooth setup process. After installing, you'll want to set Gemini as your default assistant. Go to your phone settings, then search for Digital Assistant app or Default Assistant. From the options presented, choose Gemini. This allows you to activate Gemini with voice commands or by swiping from the corner, just like you would with Google Assistant. Confirm your selection to ensure Gemini is fully integrated into your daily interactions. Now that Gemini is set up, you can start exploring its powerful features. Ask it complex questions, get quick facts, or even have it help you brainstorm ideas. Gemini can also manage your schedule by setting reminders and alarms, making your daily routine smoother. Experiment with its ability to generate creative content or summarize long articles. It's designed to be a versatile tool for productivity and information retrieval. To get the most out of Gemini, always keep your app updated through the Google Play Store. Updates often bring new features and performance improvements. Also, dive into Gemini's settings to customize preferences, like voice output and personal results, tailoring it to your specific needs. For those looking to streamline their daily routine even further, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.